So I've been using the Bloom Investing app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Bloom Investing app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Bloom Investing app. Bloom app is designed to help young investors learn the ropes of investing. It offers a vast library of over 200 financial lessons presented in an engaging Instagram-like format. These lessons cover essential topics, from basic investing principles to personal finance, making it great for beginners. Additionally, the app also features real-time portfolio tracking, which is handy for keeping an eye on your investments as they grow. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, Bloom charges $15 per month or $120 annually for its premium services, including access to custodial accounts and advanced learning materials. While the subscription model allows Bloom to avoid monetizing trades like some competitors do, these costs may feel steep for younger investors or parents, especially when compared to free alternatives like Robinhood. Additionally, the app doesn't offer complex trading options like options or margin trading, which might limit advanced investors. On the positive side, Bloom excels in security, as the app uses bank-grade encryption through Plaid to ensure your financial data is safe, which is always reassuring in the world of online investing. Plus, the app also provides stock rewards as incentives for completing educational tasks, which can make learning about finance more engaging for younger users. Overall, Bloom is a solid app for teens starting out in investing, especially for those who value financial education. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.